Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Exercise 3.1 10th standard state board. See here, first Roman letter, third subdivision. The equation are given like this: x plus 20 equal to 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus of y plus z. All the equation is given in a equal to sign, so we can equate two terms and get the equations one by one. First I can equate these two equations. See here, first x plus 20 equal to 3y by 2 plus 10. First I can take these two. See, it is LCM by 1, you can take the LCM into 2. So x plus 20 equal to 3y plus 20 by 2, because it is in a fraction form. So you should take the LCM. X plus 20 equal to 3y plus 20 by 2. So you can bring this 2 to this side. What is the value we are getting? 2 into x plus 20 equal to 3y plus 20. So multiply 2x plus 40 equal to 3y plus 20. 2x plus 40 equal to 3y plus 20. So bring the variables to one side. 2x minus 3y. 2x minus 3y equal to 20 minus 40. 2x minus 3y equal to 20 minus 40. So 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. You can take it as the first equation. Then we can compare second and third. You can compare second equation and third equation. 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5. 3y by 2 plus 10 equal to 2z plus 5. It is also in a fraction form. You can take the LCM by 1 into 2 into 2. So 3y plus 20, because 2 is the LCM, you can take the LCM. 3y plus 20 by 2 equal to 2z plus 5. 2 you can multiply this side. 3y plus 20 equal to 2 into 2z plus 5. 3y plus 20, you can multiply 2 inside. 4z plus 10. 4z plus 10. So you can bring the variables to one side. So 3y minus 4z equal to 10 minus 20. 3y minus 4z equal to 10 minus 20. So 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. Take it as the second equation. Then you compare second, third and fourth. You compare third and fourth. 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus of y plus z. So it gives 2z plus 5 equal to 110 minus y minus z. You bring minus inside. So minus into plus minus y, minus into plus minus z. The same way you bring the variables to the one side. So 2z plus y plus z equal to 110 minus 5. So you bring the variables to one side and constant to the next side. See, 3z plus y equal to 105. Take it as the third equation. So you write down the equations to the next board. See, the first board is First equation 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 3y equal to minus 20. Take it as the first equation. What is the second equation? See, 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. Take it as the second equation. 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. Third equation, 3z plus y equal to 105. This is third equation. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. 3z plus y equal to 105. See, first y is common, I can cancel the y term. See here, solve 1 and 2. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20 plus 3y minus 4z equal to minus 10. Straight away you can cancel because plus 3 minus 3 get cancel. What is the remaining value you are having? 2x minus 4z equal to minus 30. 2x minus 4z equal to minus 30. See here, so it's a multiple of 2. I can divide the term. X minus 2z equal to minus 15. X minus 2z equal to minus 15. I can take it as the fourth equation. This one I can take it as the fourth equation. Then you can solve first and third equation. Solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. Solve 1 and 3. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. What is the third one? See here, y plus 3z equal to 105. Y plus 3z equal to 105. See, multiply by 3, the given equation multiply by 3. So you can get the value 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 0 plus 3y plus 9z equal to 5 3s are 15, 315. 315. So what is the value you are getting? Cancel the term. 2x plus 9z equal to 315 minus 20, 5, 295. So it gives 295. You can take it as this one as a fifth equation. This is fourth and this is fifth equation. Then write down the fourth equation. What is the fourth equation? X minus 2z equal to minus 15. X minus 2z equal to minus 15. Fourth equation. 2x plus 9z. 2x plus 9z equal to 2x plus 9z equal to 295 equal to 295. 2x plus 9z equal to 295. I want to cancel the value of x. So this is fifth equation. Multiply by minus 2. The first equation I can multiply by minus 2. What is the equation I am getting? Minus 2x plus 4z minus 2x plus 4z equal to 30. Equal to 30. Here 2x plus 9z equal to 295. Cancel. Plus 2 minus 2 get cancelled. 13z equal to 5. 9 plus 3 12. 3 25. So z equal to 325 by 13. 13 2s are 26. Balance 6. 13 5s are 65. What is the value for z? Z value equal to 25. If z value equal to 25, then we should find out the value of x and y. Move on to the next equation. What is the equation? See, you can take any equation. I can take the equation of the fourth. X minus 2z equal to minus 15. X minus 2z equal to minus 15. So, substitute the z value. X minus 2 into 25. Substitute z equal to 25 in fourth equation. Z equal to 25 equal to minus 15. So, x minus 50 equal to minus 15. So, x equal to minus 15 plus 50. X equal to minus 15 plus 50. 50 minus 15, 35. X value equal to 35. Substitute x value equal to 35 in any one of the equation. Substitute x equal to 35. You can get the value of y. You can take the first equation also, 2x. Substitute x equal to 35 in, you can take any equation. You can choose the simple equation. It is easy for you. Substitute x equal to 35 in first equation. So, 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. Once again I check the first equation. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. 2x minus 3y equal to minus 20. Substitute 2 into 35. Instead of x value you can substitute 35 minus 3y equal to minus 20. So 70 minus 3y equal to minus 20. Minus 3y equal to minus 20. You bring this side, minus 70. Minus 3y equal to minus 90. Minus minus get cancelled. Y equal to 90 by 3. The value is equal to 30. So what is the solution set? What is the solution set? X equal to 35, x equal to 35, y equal to 30 and z equal to 25.